So we're back checking out this resource nuke and seeing what we can use. We don't have anything specifically that I need food for, but it's always good. We got the autumn olive honey flow has started, and we got honey coming in now. So anything I can boost to on a strong hive, even to give them more brood, is a help. But I'd rather build my my weaker ones up. I lost my frame perch. So up here we had given them frames to build out, and we're feeding them. Of course, that's empty. See how they're building frames for us. Oh, and they're filling this, but this is sugar water honey. That frame's built out full. I can't remember if this was one that already was, but so let's set that aside. I'm starting to work this one. A little spot in the middle. They don't want to work. It's yellow. Yeah, she laid a little bit in that area, but that's no big deal. She might be on this frame. I'm going to give it a spray so that they keep working at it. Especially with a honey flow, they're more apt to build out. That's the plastic. Here's the wax one I threw in here to see them build out. They were making drone comb on this on one side, but now this was brand new. They did drone comb. She's got some brood in there, but this is pretty much drawn out. Now any honey in there is sugar water honey, and I can't take this yet because there's brood in it, but this is now a built out frame. I can swap it out after. Oh, there she is right in the middle. Saskatraz. So anyway, that's one extra frame that we'll have to use next year, or even in a couple weeks. This frame wasn't built, and so now I got built out comb and extra brood. And this one they're working on. Oh, and they got it stuck down to the frame underneath. But they built this out too. So I guess that answers the question about wax and plastic, because they don't care. So this is all, I'm going to pull this frame. I'm going to lose a little bit of drone brood, but other than that, it's honey and pollen. So I'm going to keep this. See the honey that they haven't even tapped yet. I can shake out a lot of it, but I can use this frame later on. I will give them an empty one, or almost empty one, that something else started working and never finished. So I will I'll put this in there for them to work on. Normally I wouldn't put my brood out to the outside, but this is a small pack nuke. They're going to keep it warm, so I'm going to break a rule there. I'm going to put this one next to it so that they can build it. Tight one. Squeeze this closer together. That queen was on that. And this one had brood and honey, right? No, this was all honey. So I'm going to take this one out too. Now it's not good honey, like I said, so I got to spin it, or if I have a big enough yard, I can leave it out and they'll clean it up. I just don't ever want to do that close to my my working hives. And I'm going to give her another frame. This is built out, but it's pretty beat up. I don't know what got at it. So I'll give it to them, and they'll be working on cleaning it up. Now I still haven't found a frame of brood to take. And of course, customers call me. So hopefully we're going to see some nice solid capped brood down here. Oh, this is not capped brood, this is a heavy honey frame. So this one's all honey and pollen. That's a good outside one. Stay right where it is. This is a nice frame to help some. It's not a huge amount, but it's got a lot of dark cap brood, but some large larvae. Let's see what the next one looks like. This is more closer to emerging, more useful right away. Oh, large larvae though in it. How's the next one look? Ah, look at this one. This one I'm going to take. Not a lot of open brood, all capped. So this can be a help. It's not quite as dark, so it might take a little longer. There's my queen though, and I definitely don't want to take her. So I'm going to make sure she moves down. And then I'm going to answer this phone. But we got 2 frames built out. We gave them more frames to work on. And I got another frame of brood that I can add to a hive that needs it, or a hive that I really want to build up for this flow. So another great day and great use of a resource.